pie. Do you have what it takes? So inspiration do bet me am draw. So you bet me the and common no ho mun jim hundi England you bet me ahye no e beatable. Croatia team no mu nyini mo gire mo kakra bia players o mususa bet me do ma communicate be hye omo Panama you know now the same level. Omu ni so nchen so ni so nchen omo ye yire ho kakra bia be hye omo ye yini ni na to nchen ye team no realistically your what it take to beat sa team say ye come as me.
Rich football about strategy, so sometimes bia o squad ni mpo a wo mpo no anka omo ntimi sa akon but say o planning year ehye wo ni ema year possible. And until I competition na ye kwe we be some a very good question about your team no me the belenke your psychological department ni biom. Rich there was this captain on name Crawford kwa akon omo kwa akon no omo kwa na epone so omo etu no ma she ba akon e was ejina ho twen omo no omo blasters ha ship no na ne Crawford say adai omo nti ase no say ye nyamba akon na ye kono ye kono say ida say ye bewu ani ebe survive ni gina ye so nti ema obi antwen ship bia se wohu ema obi antwen ship bia eye ko aye kono ye kwakwa kowu ana ye survive on mentality or the amom ti se mo already say mo bewu dia ye kwa amu mo pese mo survive so amunim di osam ye so osam mo survive obe survive ya den aye so say ukun opponent one kun opponent a on survive ubewu ana anya ready so obewu
nti kunu survival
na survive. Rich share football adie bia anka NC da pa at national team level eyemienu na anamiensa amekai mu ba ko first okay Euro 2004 yeah kono there was this Greece player na wa prepare on the partner ba be worry na omo ase omo dating na ti omo ko competition omo ne partner no so ye kwa ko 3 matches ni aba the date no omo data just after the third game onim se omo ba I think it's Farias one of their players onim na adwuna na ode ko nunu
so any team now
yes and that time Greece air con so Greece for league udi e kire ohun politics won papa Ghana dey na ne ka eso ubisa ya la sa Olympiacos pa 99 cost no okay say do maybe Greece omu jai omu football crab okay say issues na ebeba ma omu jai omu football ebo entokwa ne ade rich anti politics won pa tina pa 99 cost ne Olympiacos no na sa tension no eda ho a uye yeah coach na say ofre pa 99 cost player no one free Olympiacos player abenya problem and our campion na nso mpo camp so mo nkobo competition as abusia ba kono kra na no nso ede just like Spain Echo World Cup lose to Switzerland at that time no mu team no Barca players no Madrid players no sa confusion na no team no rich Greece equal competition na us no na 150 against 1 obi anim say Greece the omo nka ho or budget to make up the numbers. What the surprising thing is see the first game was against the host nation Portugal, talented Portuguese squad Nuno Gomes mo and Ricosta mo so almost squad no and ayala okay sir handsome chap na niti or niti she goals pa na Goncalves ana no we fe yie pa na niti Charles almost squad no Luis Figo mo ka ho the young Cristiano Ronaldo then no from no money akasa squad no rich Greece in the first game as host nation when you am announce wow Osanso at France then was the defending champions of Europe on the night Euro 2000 Osanso France and so say France and outside the Czech Republic Pavel Nedved more talented squad no outside the Czech Republic and so we no sign a Portugal grand finale and Osanso say Portugal biom rich maybe football miracle by the chance Greece at Euros
Ben James
at France asem European champions. Watch Portugal, the host nation, outside crack talented squad. Watch Nasem. Watch check and swashen. And tense, but a sin so. I about thank you because their manager then Otto Rehagel. I'm almost here saying, you 3 matches na elbow. I know almost psychological team. No, almost here. The team psychologist. I'm almost here say, more 3 matches in competition no more by we. Okay, I'm now crazy about 98 World Cup. Almost fans require ticket almost China. Almost try say Andrew second round and quarter finals. No more free mu. And to almost ticket no say no much see. Koba say Odu quarter finals, they semi finals. No more fans no so more free promo. Okay, it's an issue now. Because no money say competition near Kono and that's only ho. But rich, Okoya Kobo semi finals. And say the eventual winners of the competition, France Arsenal, Leon Thuram, Omo ball 2-1. And say more a star-studded Netherlands team, Patrick Vieira mo. So almost squad no. Almost see almost Mark Overmars mo. Dennis Beckham was almost squad no. Almost see almost third place. That game almost I think 3 or 4. Edgar Davis mo na wumbi. Football be to me see. Rich. Yahu Denmark won qualify for Euros or no. On can what any baby jene ho. I aba fan same amanaji competition. One qualify you. A kwesi amanya akwanya aba competition wachi. So sanya ma we na yeka preparations no. Psyche. Some videos no, some stories no. I was see a catching young players no more mutia say. And you saying that here regardless. Mo betimi idea no. And about England players on the Bejana pitch, some batch on the do say 11. Me patch all Ghana at the 8 and 10.
Same 11.
And you're the same 11. All remember to say, and once a menu,
more quality.
And once a menu in England or born on Nimbo. Rich, and when you're through, and yes, realistically, you as analyst, and you know, so on paper.
Now we see
Usha England form, Usha Anyama or Deba, and no cresse. Oche ye jitum. But they are about strategies. And how are you best psyche share on a day on. I did kitty bit before the game gets underway. And our game na starting now. Bibi kitu a bit missy, I'm a necessary BBA. So you emphasize the firm conviction. So we can do it. Okay, so Ghana no be himself Mali be we. Okay.
Make qualifies no.
Obi na game obi so obi anim so Mali dear.
Onso ne kwose.
Anya no so ne kwose. Nti ye sa na ma no.
Okay.
You betimi aye. Eye gidie me ditum say realistically. Say fa no. Player by player. Aye one analysis. Pass holistic and realistic analysis. Say one analyze ne sadia. Ye ditum say England e bro ye so. Okay. Football is a team sport. You can individuals talent power or more ekra. Collectively as a team, then I'm deba on board. And no see here. To rich. Me and Sha come ma yeti empopo. Let's just encourage them. Na ye more mining na soon no.
And
town wachi. And no bebo aminia.
Insurance of 4.5 me be lines na no 3220 83